take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many drivers don't realize that AutoZone, the nation's largest auto parts chain, will do the following services free of charge. Read the codes on your check engine light. Test your battery's voltage. Check your alternator and starter.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When it's time for an AC recharge, turn to AutoZone. We carry R134A refrigerant, PAG46 oil, AC stop leak, AC system cleaner, and more. You can shop online for same-day in-store pickup or go to your local AutoZone to find the right AC solution for you and your vehicle. AutoZone will test your car's parts for free.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Some places charge you for testing your car, but at AutoZone, it's free. Don't buy a part you don't need. Where can I go to add Freon to my car? Locate the refrigerant fill port on the low-pressure side of the system.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.